Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart LED LCD TV Repairing. Friends, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it, like my video and share it. In today's video, I will show you how to repair a channel pin which was broken earlier from the main board. Friends, here is, as you can see, that the channel pin is broken. Here you can see that this is the pin that was broken from here. I will open the case and reinstall it. So see my video till end. Open the screw of all sides. Remove all the screws on the back panel. Here are small screws. I am opening with small fillets. There should be some extra screws. Watch for them. Here is one of them. It is beneath the large screw. One is here and one is on the second side. Remove it. Open the second screw also. Take care of screws and put them on side. Now open the case. There is some other screw here, little one. Now I think case should be open. Yes. Remove the AC card. Take out the fittings. Open the screw of the fitting. Always open the fittings when you remove the main board. Remove it gently. Now remove this backlight cable and then this LVDS cable. It has some screw. Yes, here is screw. Open it. Open the panel jack and then the speaker jack. Now your board is visible, but it has 2 or 3 screws. Open these also. Second one, friends. Take the board off. Here you can see that the pin is broken. Friends, pin has only two connections. One is center and second is earth. Here is the center pin connection. Take the pin. Friends, as you can see that center pin should be soldered here and the outer pin on the side of metal. Friends, take always 60-watt soldering iron for soldering these pins, because there is metal on the earth and 40-watt iron cannot do this job. Take the pin, friends, and install in. Put the center pin from the hole like this. Check it carefully not to touch both connections, earth and the center connection. As you can see that from beneath the pin is visible now. Solder it here. Take the soldering wire, friends, and a 60-watt iron. Solder the center pin first. Friends, do the work carefully, so you should not disturb the other assemblies. Now the center pin is soldered, and now turn for this metal side, earth. Some people say it ground. And this is the trick of 60-watt iron, because less wattage will not enough to solder this as a good joint. Look, friends, the soldering wire is melting and is connecting both the pin and the holder. Cover it from all sides so that joint should not break again. As you can see that the wire is melting very good and joint is good enough. Solder all its round sides one by one. Now from the down side or sides. Friends, it is very hot, so avoid touching the metal which you have soldered. Take care of your hands, because it can burn you. Now its side is good. Go for the other side, friends. It's okay, friends. Now the side is left. Solder that side also. As you can see that soldering is good. This is a trick, friends. to use the 60-watt soldering iron, that it joins the soldering very well. Now friends, touch it but carefully and see the joint is in good condition or not. Friends, as you can see that it is now reinstalled and it is ready for use. Friends, this is all the process. Kindly subscribe my channel, like my video and share it, and keep watching my videos.